Ever seen those Bigfoot and Yeti vlog-style shorts where the mysterious forest creature goes about doing oddly human things, like forest yoga or cooking over a campfire? If you've spent even a little time on TikTok or YouTube shorts lately, chances are you've already run into these bizarre yet hilarious viral clips. And guess what? They're blowing up for a reason. It's among the most rapidly expanding micro-niches today, humorous, shareable, and strangely likable. These videos gain millions of views within days, and some are getting thousands of fresh subscribers essentially overnight. Of course, majority of you have been inquiring, asking how to create one of these Bigfoot-type vlog videos from scratch, without hours of editing or shooting in the forest. This tutorial is for you. This tutorial provides you with everything in a step-by-step manner, from AI script writing to video creation via tools such as Veo 3 and Gemini, down to final editing and publication. You don't need any experience. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Writing your forest vlog script. To start, you want a straightforward, humorous anecdote. If you're a natural writer, go ahead and come up with your own original idea. But if that's not your thing, no worries. AI has got your back. You'll want to use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, both free to use by the way, to help write a story that's structured for short-form video. These Bigfoot-style vlogs work best when they're broken into short, punchy segments, ideally about 8 seconds each. Why 8 seconds? You'll see in just a moment. Here's how to begin. Go to YouTube and grab the link of some viral Bigfoot or Yeti vlog. Put that link into ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Can you break down this video's structure and storyboard breakdown?" That provides ChatGPT with context. It'll pick up on the pacing, atmosphere, and sense of humor you're aiming for. Now proceed with this follow-up prompt. "I want to create a similar Bigfoot vlog video. Please create 3 new story scripts, each consisting of 6 to 8 scenes, with each scene intended to be approximately 8 seconds long." You'll get back some surprisingly creative ideas. Maybe Bigfoot is trying to do forest yoga, but keeps getting distracted by weird animal sounds. Whatever the plot, keep it silly and visually entertaining. Why is the 8-second structure important? Because we're going to use Veo 3, Google's new video generation AI, to turn each scene into its own short video. And Veo 3 currently generates clips that are exactly 8 seconds long. After you select your favorite script, i.e., Bigfoot discovers forest yoga, you'll need to create the prompts for Veo 3. Do so by taking each storyboard or scene and copying it into ChatGPT once more. You ask it, "Generate a Google Veo 3 video prompt for every scene." You will receive a list of very detailed prompts explaining what every scene should depict. Now, you'll need to add voiceovers. Because Veo 3 won't add voice narration automatically, type in a final prompt. Add a humorous voiceover line for every storyboard in the following format. Bigfoot says. This will produce a complete script with corresponding narration for each scene. If done properly, you'll now have 6 to 8 descriptive video prompts, 1 per scene, corresponding voiceover dialogue for Bigfoot's lines, a finished storyboard to assist you in producing your complete video. Now, let's proceed to the video generation segment. Step 2. Creating the Bigfoot video with AI. You can begin creating the actual scenes using either Gemini or Flow. Here is the catch. If you use Gemini Pro, you have 3 free video generations daily. That's enough to test, but insufficient for a complete video. If you're a student, good news. Google gives students free access to Gemini Pro, so definitely take advantage of that. You can find the link in the subscription below. But since this tutorial aims for a full working video, Flow is going to be your best friend. Flow works straight with Veo 3 and incorporates a fast mode option that allows you to create videos more quickly and affordably. Every video creation only takes about 20 credits in fast mode when including audio. It's great for budget-constrained creators who still desire pro-level content. Back to your prompts. Take every Veo 3 video prompt and go to Flow. Create a new project. Choose Veo 3, Fast Mode, Text to Video. Now cut and paste in your first scene's prompt. You'll need to take out the voiceover line from the text and instead cut and paste it below a new field called He Says. That way, the video generation engine can distinguish between what's spoken aloud and what's merely visual context. After the scene has been created, take a peek at the outcome. If it's slightly wrong, For instance, perhaps Bigfoot isn't grasping the selfie stick as you originally envisioned. You can reword the prompt. Experiment with something like, Bigfoot grasping a selfie stick, walking in the woods, mid-morning light. Make your vision very clear. Once you're satisfied with it, go on to the next scene and do it again. In no time, you'll have 6 to 8 individual 8-second clips ready to upload. Step 3. Stitching the clips into a full video. When all your video scenes are created, you have 2 choices. You can stitch them together by hand with CapCut or use Flow's Add to Sense functionality. If you take the CapCut route, simply import all your scenes, drag them into a timeline, and export them as a single complete video. But to simplify the process within Flow, do the following. Click Add to Sense for every scene. Move each one into the timeline in the correct order. Then click Arrange. And lastly, Download. You've got a complete 48-64-second Bigfoot vlog video for uploading. Step 4. Character consistency fixing. One of the most difficult things about AI video generation is that your character, Bigfoot in this example, may not appear consistently in all your scenes. He may have varying fur or be taller in one scene than another. Here's how to correct for that in Flow. Save your favorite frame from the first scene, perhaps one where Bigfoot is in a yoga pose, and click Save Frame as Asset. This engages frame to video mode. In this mode, Flow will generate new scenes while keeping the character's design consistent with your saved frame. Just note, unless you're a Veo Ultra user, you'll only be able to use Veo 2 in this mode. That means no sound and slightly older visuals. But the upside? It's cheaper. Only 10 credits per video, and keeps your character perfectly consistent. Step 5. Adding music. Now that your Bigfoot scenes are cut together into a single video, it's time to give them voice. Go to a royalty-free music website such as Pixabay, YouTube Audio Library, or Epidemic Sound, if you've got a subscription. In CapCut or whatever video editor you're working on, place your music file below the full video. Turn down the volume so that it's not dominating the voiceover. Simple is best. Don't max out every frame. 1 or 2 intelligent sounds for a scene will work. Step 6. Post it with a viral-friendly title and description. Title your video on YouTube Shorts clearly and with a hook. In your description, summarize the video and include engaging hashtags. Don't forget to include links to your other videos or playlists if you have any. That promotes binge watching, which increases retention. From the beginning to the end, you've now created a complete Bigfoot vlog with nothing but AI apps, creative narrative, and free resources. It's bizarre, it's silly, and most importantly, it's succeeding today. If you're willing to create more of these and would like a complete content calendar with ideas and prompts, comment below and like the video so I know that you're serious. See you in the next video.